It worked great? About ViaBecs Mini ELM327 OBDII Car Auto Diagnostic Scanner. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows systems. Our OBDII scanner code reader is fully compatible with Android phones, iOS phones, and also supports Windows PCs and laptops. We recommend using the Torque Lite and Car Scanner apps, which can be easily downloaded from Google Play or the App Store. Small and portable. This Super Mini ELM327 OBDII Bluetooth Auto Diagnostic Interface Scanner is compact and portable, making it convenient to carry around. Allowing you to clear trouble codes, turn off the check engine light, and access real-time sensor data such as engine RPM, calculated load value, coolant temperature, fuel system status, vehicle speed, and more. Its practicality makes it an essential tool for your daily life. Easy to use. This Bluetooth OBDII scanner works perfectly and it's easy to use. Just download the Torque app, simply plug it in, open the Bluetooth and pair it with your device. And it will give you any fault codes stored in your vehicle as well as readings of common diagnostic indicators. That gives you more than enough control over your OBDII vehicles for reading and resetting codes and monitoring whatever you want to monitor. Vehicle compatibility. Support 1996 and newer vehicles. 12-volt light trucks that are OBDII is compliable with Acura, Audi, BMW, Buick, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Jeep, Kia, Lexus, Mazda, Suzuki. Volvo. Not support hybrid or electric vehicles. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel useful for you, you can press subscribe, press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.